Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing exactly what you need. Don't hesitate. Click and drag or tap to highlight, confirm the selection visibly. Once selected, press Ctrl+C on Windows or +C on Mac. That copies the content into the clipboard. Make sure to paste into a simple app, like a text editor, to verify the copy succeeded. If it failed, repeat the select step and copy again. This immediate check prevents loss and saves time for the next phase. Now move to the destination. Place the cursor where the content must go and make sure the field accepts input. Press Ctrl+V or +V to paste immediately. If the wrong item appears, use Clipboard History or the System's Paste Special to choose the correct entry. Once pasted, decide whether to keep formatting or convert to plain text. This matters for documents and code. If formatting breaks layout, undo. Then paste as plain text to preserve. Finish by scanning the pasted content for errors. Look for missing characters, broken links, or encoding issues. Make corrections now. If something looks off, press Ctrl+Z or +Z to undo instantly. Then recopy and paste carefully. If the clipboard was overwritten, reselect the original and copy again. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the clipboard or restart the app if pastes fail repeatedly. And consider a clipboard manager to keep multiple items available when you need them. This prevents.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.